Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
The action plan specifies the committees who are going to be there at the site, who are going to monitor what action will be taken, how they are going to coordinate. All that is specified in this action plan. There is going to be a committee, a subcommittee consisting of the circle inspector, then the PSI and the official of the pollution control board who are going to be there at 3 places at this venue called as Sunburn. Then there is going to be one more committee which will be called as Central Sound Monitoring Committee, which will be consisting of the additional collector, and in case there is any breach or violation of any decibel levels, these committees will take action. The organizers will be given 10 minutes time to control the sound pollution if it crosses a particular decibel level, and if within 10 minutes they are not going to control it, then it is going to be stopped. So this is the strict mechanism which is provided for in this action plan. The government is all keen to implement this mechanism, and we have told the High Court that we are going to not permit this particular festival on 31st. We have also told the High Court that it will be permitted only up to 10 o'clock. So that clarification is already given to the High Court. So this is the latest that has happened in the High Court.